Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, you need to access Play Store and download your new default app. In my case, it will be browser. Then you need to access device settings, scroll down and select apps over here. Now click on choose default app and select one of those options. I want to change my default browser, so I have to click on browser app. But as you can see, I have only Chrome here, so I have to go back, go into Play Store and wait for my Opera to download. Then I can go into the same settings, and now when I click on browser app, I can see that Opera is already here. But in order to set it up, you need to click on it and then go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!